Russia carried out a prolonged and large-scale air attack on the Ukrainian city of Dnipro, which continued for approximately 20 hours. The assault involved both missiles and drones, launched in multiple waves targeting different parts of the city. According to local authorities, at least 6 people were killed and more than 40 others were injured as a result of the attack. The injured were immediately transported to hospitals by rescue teams, while emergency services continued their operations despite the ongoing bombardment. The attack began at night and continued until morning, during which air raid sirens were constantly sounding throughout the city. Residents were forced to take shelter in bunkers and underground shelters. Ukrainian military officials stated that Russia launched more than 600 drones and dozens of missiles in this operation. They added that air defense systems intercepted many of these threats, but it was not possible to stop all of them. As a result, residential areas suffered significant damage. Several buildings were destroyed, and energy infrastructure was also affected, causing power disruptions in some areas. Authorities described this as the largest and most intense attack on Dnipro so far. There have been previous attacks, but in terms of duration and scale, this is considered the most significant. Conditions on the ground were extremely challenging, as rescue teams had to operate between continuous strikes. People trapped under debris were rescued and moved to safer locations. The impact of this attack was also felt internationally. According to reports, a drone fell in the territory of Romania, a member of NATO. Following this development, security concerns have increased across Europe, and the situation is being closely monitored at a high alert level. The United Kingdom has placed its fighter jets on standby to respond to any emergency. Ukraine's president, Volodymyr Zelensky, called for a strong reaction from the international community after the attack. He stated that such attacks are not only a threat to Ukraine but to global security as a whole. Importantly, Dnipro is located far from the front line, yet it was targeted with such intensity. This indicates a widening scope of the war. According to analysis, such prolonged and large-scale attacks could target more urban areas in the future, increasing the risk to civilians.